Hello, welcome to Pye Motors. I just want to quickly show you this Ford Ranger Limited. It's on a 19 plate, it's the 2.2. This one's the manual 160 horsepower. It's in a lovely copper red metallic paint. Just a quick walk around the outside. This one comes with the mountain top roll shutter on it in silver. It's also got a tow bar. Front and rear parking sensors. This is also the double cab, so you get the most space in the back. Now inside it's full leather interior. Just move into the front. So as I mentioned, it's a manual. You've got your gearbox ratios down there. Here you've got your heated seats and air conditioning controls, as well as your media. On the steering wheel you've got all the buttons to go through trip computers and what have you. This down here is the speed limiter and cruise control, and across is the multimedia control, as well as your hands-free and voice control for the vehicle. The vehicle itself has just a shade over 34,000 miles on it. You might be familiar now with the Ford Sync 3 touchscreen, so everything in the vehicle has the AB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control. It's all controlled through the touchscreen. Just there. So that is the 2019 Ford Ranger Limited. As I mentioned, it's the 2.2 manual, in beautiful copper red. If you need any more information on this pickup or any of our vehicles here at Pye Motors, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.